Hey guys, this is Xavier with Gotta Be Mobile, and I'm at the Galaxy S10 launch event here in San Francisco, and I finally tracked down 5 different colors of the Galaxy S10. I was shooting a bunch of videos of just a white one, which is perfectly nice, but some gentlemen were packing up, and look what we found. We found the 5 color choices that are here, and unfortunately not all of these are coming to every carrier, so you might have to be patient or buy it from overseas if you really want a different color besides this white and this dark gray. Now, I believe this one's called Canary Yellow and this is called Prism Blue. If you want something to really stand out, I mean, this Canary Yellow and Prism Blue do stand out. I mean, this is going to look pretty much like every other smartphone that you've seen over the past 8 or 9 years, but these two really do stand out. I absolutely love that color. I'm hoping that this comes to the US or somebody sells this bad boy via unlocked status from Europe or Asia if it doesn't come to the US. But Samsung, listen up, you gotta sell this in the US, differentiate yourselves a little bit from all this grayness, whiteness, and blackness that we have going on in the smartphone industry. This blue is really sharp too. You might want to pick this up if you just want a little hint of color. You can see that it sort of reflects really nicely at an angle, but it's not really in your face obvious that this is a blue from far away. As you can see if I sort of hold it out at arm's length, it looks kind of grayish, but as we get closer and tilt it a little bit, you can see it's really got a nice sheen, like a lot of luxury vehicles where they're not like an obvious bright blue. They're kind of a gray or darkish color with a little bit mixed in. So it looks like Samsung is all wrapped up here. They spent about 3 hours of their lives showing me and a few hundred of my closest friends the latest and greatest Android phone money can buy. It's time for me to head out, and this is the phone I'm going to get next.